So for foundation, I don't know if I have to put on the sponge on your face. I'm not allowed to tell you, my guy. Let me think. Ah! Simba. Hello, I'm back. So I've been gone for a really long time. It's just been very busy. For those of you who don't know, I am in school right now, university to be exact. I've also been busy with other life stuff. Like, for example, we had a chicken in our backyard.
Oh my god!
There's a chicken in. Oh my god! We just found
What the freak? Hold on.
We just found a chicken in our backyard. Is that a chicken? We had a goat in our backyard. Oh my god. Oh, he's looking at me. What do I do? What? But that's basically what I've been busy with. Goats and chickens. So. But anyways, with that being said, I wanted to come back and do a special video. And basically, it's going to be my sister does my makeup. And she's never done anyone's makeup before. And she's also never really owned as much makeup as me, at least. And I just want her to make me over like everything. So let's get her let's get her in here. Hey, 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 Fat Albert in the house. Penny Tovar, my sister who is adopted. So basically, I want you to do my makeup. And the trick of this is I'm not going to tell you what goes on what or what is what. Okay, well, basically, I'm not going to give you any help or anything. I'm letting you do whatever you want. If you accidentally put lipstick on my eyelids, then you accidentally put lipstick on my eyelids. Okay, well, I'm not that stupid. Lipstick goes on the forehead, so. If you know me, you know I don't wear makeup on a daily basis. And when I do my makeup scales, it's like Glossier level where it's like 2 pieces of makeup. I'm scared, but I'm not gonna be like, LOL, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna actually try to do like, make you look nice. So the first thing I'm gonna do is moisturize. This looks like an official seal from the king who's letting us know that the orc are on their way to eradicate our village. No, because... So here's my concealer, and unfortunately it is not strong enough to cover all the YouTuber scandals.
And
Dab, 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 dab. 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 So now that we've done concealer, foundation. So for foundation, I don't know if I have to put on the sponge on your face. Let me think. Ah! Simba. So now that we have foundation, I think we do powder next. Is this... Oh crap, I forgot I can't ask you. So I'm going to, I think I just do this, like kind of just like everywhere, I think. Don't laugh, because that indicates I'm doing it wrong or something. Sorry, I can't have fun. What do you think this is? We're not having fun. Oh yeah. I think I'm gonna do next highlighter. Oh, here's highlighter. Color Pop. Flexitarian, not sure what kind of diet that is, but you know what? We're gonna use it. So I'm gonna grab this brush, which... do this. Are you team Sonic or team Knuckles? I'm team Shadow. That's what a lot of people are saying in the comment section, like team Shadow. All I know is that if you're team Sonic, like, sis, have you seen the movie? Have you seen the new movie? I was thinking that. I had a really big crush on cartoons a lot, and Shadow was definitely one of them. What were your cartoon crushes?
Tarzan.
Like, let's be honest. Like, you and Tarzan, that's a power couple.
Because look at your hair. Like, he has luscious locks.
I'm gonna do contour. Can you do this? I'm gonna go for like a golden look. Like a golden goddess, like don't touch me peasant kind of look, you know? Ooh, she's pigmented. So eyeshadow like fell. Oh, that's why they do this.
Yes.
That's why they do that.
You're learning! See, this channel is not only about makeup, but it's about science.
Is math related to science?
Oh my god.
Is math related to science?
I remember I was with my nieces and I hurt myself in the corner of the table because I bumped into it, right? And they said, ow, that hurt. And then my Google Pixel literally said, do you want me to call 911? And I was like, what?
Hold on, let me try it with my phone. Ow, I'm in pain. My leg is bleeding profusely and I can't get up. And I feel the numbness ascending up my spinal cord. My phone wants me to die. She does not care.
I got a notification on my phone, so it was like,
I don't know how to coordinate colors, so this is the point where we pray and hope it all comes out good. So now I'm gonna do the brows with Glossier Boy Brow. In time, I will leave the city. In time. Wow, James Charles on tour be like. I'm gonna do eyeliner next. I'm gonna do eyeliner next. So thank goodness you have this one, because it looks like an easy pen. So thank you for that. This is where I need everyone's prayers. Comment down below your prayer. Everyone shut the frick up. I'm gonna mess up. Don't.
I didn't do anything, I breathed.
You literally stop.
I literally breathed!
Okay, well don't breathe.
Oh my gosh.
My creation. Beautiful. So now I'm going to curl your eyelashes. You look cute. So for the final step, I'm going to be doing something terrifying. I have never worn fake lashes. I'm not good at it. They scare me. And I've never done it on somebody else. So we're going to see how this works out.
Pretty sure the glue just entered my retina.
That means I did it right. So here is the final look. So, what do you think?
Okay, so from far away, it actually looks really, really good.
Yay! Just don't come up to her and say hi.
I basically, like, up close, I look like the British girls from TikTok. Have a little faith in me, yeah, that's all I need, yeah. Honestly, you did everything pretty okay.
Where do you think I could have improved?
Well, your first mistake was using this for cheekbone highlight.
Oh, I don't know. I was just trying to find something.
Usually you would use this. Because it's fanned out already like this. Right?
Oh.
Yeah. And then the overlining the lips is actually crooked. If you look at it.
I'm proud of the eyeshadow.
The eyeshadow is not that bad at all. I gotta admit.
Also the eyeliner.
Yes, the eyeliner is good, but I was kind of expecting you to be good at that anyway, so. But yeah, not that bad at all, actually.
Yay! What do you rate it? Comment down below what you rate this look. But don't be too honest or else I'm gonna cry. So the rating goes from good to gooder. That's the scale. So
For your first time, it's good.
yay!
Thank you to Penny, my sister, for doing my makeup.
Thank you for having me, folks. It was a good time.
Go check out her YouTube channel, even though she's bigger than me, but still. Go follow her on Insta and check out her YouTube and all that jazz and everything.
We did a video on my channel.
And we basically swap styles and how we dress. So go check that out and everything. I can't wait to just take all this off and let's eat. I'm so hungry.
I'm really hungry.
Thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.